subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Poco M2 Pro back in July this year, the company has now launched the lower variant of it as Poco M2 in India. Talking about the specifications, the Poco M2 supports a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The screen features a water drop notch at the top center that houses 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. At the back, the phone supports a quad camera setup at the top center that includes 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 118-degree field of view plus 5-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Poco M2 comes powered by MediaTek Helio G80 chipset paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone packs with 6GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on MIUI 11 skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.3 by 77 by 9.1mm and it weighs around 198 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Poco M2 has been priced in India for 6GB plus 64GB storage variant at 10,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 12,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from September 15th in pitch black, slate blue and brick red color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco M2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.